Let me start by saying homes like this don't show up in Creekside very often. Nearly 4,000 square feet with 2 bedrooms downstairs. As you step inside, you're greeted with light, bright spaces, and a clean, neutral palette that's ready for your personal touch. Located in Creekside Park, the most desirable neighborhood in the Woodlands, with enough space to fit any lifestyle. Step outside to a private backyard space, perfect for relaxing, entertaining, or creating your own outdoor retreat.